Y'all got me back. It's okay. I deserve it. But I'm gonna get you back real quick. Don't you worry about it. You really think my farts are weak like that? That ain't me. Mine sound like a fucking bomb.